ba naman hindi init ang ulo dyan sa Dalian train na yan? Alam naman kasi ng mga nakipagkontrata para ma-procure yung Dalian train na yan. From the beginning, yung design ng Dalian train hindi tumutugma sa disenyo ng ating MRT rails. And yet, pinilit. Ang dahilan, pera. Dapat may managot. After so many years, wala pa rin nananagot. Wala pa rin nakakulong. Dapat meron.
As per the DOTR legal, they filed cases po against the people involved in the procurement.
Sino po itong mga pinailan ng kaso? At ano po yung mga posisyon nila sa DOTR?
Ang na-filean po ni DOTR way back in 2017 is Jose Emilio Aguinaldo Abaya, former Secretary, Department of Transportation and Communication. Edwin R. Lopez, former Undersecretary for Operation. Rene Limcauco, former Undersecretary for Planning and Head of the Negotiating Team. Catherine Gonzalez, former USEC for Procurement and Administration and Vice Head of the Negotiating Team. Ramon Buenafe, former General Manager of the DOTC MRT3. Camille Alcaraz, former Assistant Secretary and Chairman for Bids and Awards Committee, and other members of the back po of DOTC.
Saan po pinal yung kaso at ano po nangyari sa kaso?
Final po sa Ombudsman noong October 2017. As per our DOTR legal po, it was actually dismissed daw po by the Ombudsman.
How about refile po natin kung na-dismiss? I'm interested to know kung bakit na-dismiss. At saka wala naman double jeopardy sa Ombudsman. Pwede natin i-refile yung kaso.
The arbitration actually is in accordance with the Procurement Law 9184. We're looking into this for the purposes of finally putting a closure to the Dalian trains. Because based on our study of the documents, both parties are in pari delicto. Meaning to say po, may pagkukulang po ang Dalian, meron din pagkukulang ang DOTR.
Good.
At saka hindi po nasunod ang terms of reference. Subalit, meron na ho tayong nabayaran na more than 1 billion pesos at nandyan na po ang mga Dalian trains.
1.36 billion pesos.
Opo. Kung kailangan ho natin mabawi ho ito or maisoli po itong mga Dalian trains, there has to be a third party to do it.
Okay. Alam naman itong mga taga-DOTR dati na hindi compatible yung specs ng Dalian train doon po sa MRT rail system. And yet, pinilit pa rin nilang makipagkontrata at tinanggap pa talaga nung dumating. Sana, sinabi, huwag nyo na i-deliver yan, may problema tayo, hindi namin magagamit yan. Yung po siguro ang ilalagay niyo po sa pag-file ng kaso.
Yes po, Mr. Chair, we will work with our DOTR legal po on that.
Sa susunod natin na hearing, gusto ko invite yung technical people, mga engineers from Dalian Trains, and of course, yung mga dating taong involved dito sa Dalian Trains.